Projects update. We have a new Chevy truck we're doing an install on for some quick cash to help pay rent. This is what you get when you buy a $60,000 truck. You get a little paper cone with a little baby voice coil. It's all injection molded into one piece. What we're going to do is go ahead and use the grinder to cut out all these spokes and then use this as the adapter to then put a real speaker in there, or even I think he's at Neo 6.5 and then a bullet tweeter. So whatever we can fit in there to make it sound awesome. So and then this is the rear speaker, which is a 6.5, and you guys have probably seen these in the Chevys where the bracket just fits in there like that, and then there's one bolt that holds it here. So there's that update. We're working on that right now, and then got some Phi steel in that we're cooking up to reset. And then this is the LMS. There was one bead of, this is the TC9, one bead of epoxy that was right here. I went ahead and prepped that with the grinding wheel, and then I prepped the inside. So here, where I think it's going to drip here, and then of course the base. And so what I'll do is I'll do it actually in 2 stages. I'll put a bead here, I'll put this on top, give it a good spin, line it up, use maybe like a jig or something to hold it in place so it doesn't, sometimes it'll drift, it'll sort of move. And then the problem with this is that with only securing it here, if it gets bumped, sometimes it'll break it. So it'll break the joint. Not that it breaks the steel or anything like that, then it'll come off like it did before. So then, let me put this down. So that's why, So that's why when we put, we can put like something to fill the gap, and then you basically epoxy to that so that it'll never come off again. And it's just a pretty ring. It doesn't really help anything. That was the TC9. Oh, we got this in. Somebody found this at a Goodwill. See, that's a Goodwill. You guys work at Goodwill, you guys know how much it costs. It's probably about $30. It's got a shift in it. Looks like it's a level, he said it's a level 4. So, I don't know the difference. It looks like, I thought it was a level 3 maybe. I don't know, whatever. It's all rusty. This uses the B, or I should say the A. It's the alternative 12-spoke frame. So we can use an 8-inch spider like they did. He used like a triple, cheapy one, which I'm not a fan of. And then just, no, those are sewn. They're not glued, but they're sewn. And then CA. So we're going to use the GONZO cone on it and redo it. And guy tried to reset it and he didn't do a good job. So, and then we went ahead and on the TC9 we're doing the LMS coil, and so we took that adapter off. This is the side adapter that T.C.O.Z has a patent on, or had a patent on. It's probably expired by now, and it just fits on top like this, and it just makes it removable, that's all. But I went ahead and chose this frame because it's reminiscent of the Orion NT series, Intense. So it's that same, whatever, I forget what the name of it is. It's like gray something or whatever. So 12-spoke frame, 4-spoke frame doesn't really make a difference. So, but I'll be doing more updates during the day. I finally have some time to get to these projects and make a little progress on them. So you just got to do a little bit at a time. It's like feeding baby birds. You got to feed one little baby bird, then you got to feed another baby bird, then you got to feed another baby bird. You can't just sit there and feed just one. So that's the way it goes. Love you.